welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. We have a whole office makeover today. If you don't know, I bought a house last year and I have like a whole office space separate from the house, which is amazing. It's like a full AC unit and everything like that, so it is my time to shine. I have a desk for my full-time job, and I now have an impressions vanity for my social media / influencing. I used to have an impressions vanity years ago and I don't have one anymore. I think it got like donated. I was in a college dorm, then 3 apartments, so it got lost in the midst. But I'm so excited to do a full office makeover so I can finally like just be in my own space and be productive. So let's just have a little fun today. This is
the Slay Station 2.0.
Yes, and Joey is the best sport. I have my engineer here, and he's going to be carrying today's work, and I'll be here supporting him. No, just kidding.
Styrofoam all over me already.
We kind of just like laid everything out, so let me show you. So here's everything laid out in the pieces. We're gonna do the first 2 like drawer sets, and then we have the tabletop inside, and then the vanity mirror. Both of these complete finally. It only took us like 7 hours, but we also did stop for lunch, so I'm including that in the time. Those are both done, and he just finished the 3 drawers for the glass table. This is the glass where we're just putting it for now, and it is 9 o'clock at night, and we started at like 2, so we're trucking along. We're actually almost done. There's not too much to do. So
hey, you were learning, so
yes, I'm doing
that's on.
Yeah, I'm doing pretty good. That's the update. Done. All right guys, here is the final product. The mirror is definitely a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be, but I honestly love it. It looks so good. I'm obsessed. I'll see you guys tomorrow or the day after when I organize all my makeup and stuff, but I'm a huge fan of, I'm so excited for the Get Ready With Me's. Hi guys, it has been a couple days since we built my vanity, and I've kind of just been doing a lot in my office and reorganizing it to the best of my ability. Here is a trash update. I have been getting rid of so much stuff and taking everything out of boxes. I did restock the mini fridge a little bit, and then here's all the makeup that I have to put in the vanity. Here's the vanity. So far, I filmed a little Get Ready With Me, so that's why it's kind of a wreck right now. I'm gonna get rid of this like little glass table, or instead of putting 2 clothing racks back here for filming, I could just do 1 clothing rack and then the glass table here to kind of break it up. So let me know what you guys think down below, because maybe 2 clothing racks is too much. Like, I don't feel like I need that much stuff, but I'm doing it as much as I can. I got these little gear ties, and I've been tying up all my cords so I can be really organized. I even did it down there. So that's pretty cool. And then I did a little bit right here on the side of my vanity since it charges things. And then let me show you my little Goria station. So this is my Goria desk, which is like my big girl desk. And then here is my vanity. And here's what I've done so far over here. So we have like the little fire mate that my dad invented, and then some pins. And then in here, I have all of these mailers because I send out postcards and pins to construction companies and general contractors. And then I have a plethora of pins. That is a lot of pens, honestly. Like, there's hundreds throughout this whole thing. And then in here, I have more pins, yep, crazy. And then I have our postcards. So we have the original Fire Meat, which is right here. And then our new product that my dad just patented, and it's the medical safety stand, the Sanimate. Honestly, these drawers are so heavy. And then I have all my business cards here, and then more of these postcards because we literally had like 5,000. But they're gonna go quick because we have so many meetings with people. And then I also have some keychains here of our product that we like to give to customers, and more pens. These are the organizers that I got from Amazon. So I say we just kind of do like a rough little moment and we organize things as much as we can, because I know I'm gonna need more organizers, so this is totally not gonna be enough, but we're gonna do what we can. Okay, I just took everything out of the plastic wrap, and so we have these really nice long ones, which would be really good for lip liners. There's these, which I feel like would be good for like little lip balms. They're kind of small. These are like a medium size, so maybe good for like, I don't know, bronzers and stuff. And then these are like big ones, big ones. So I feel like what we're gonna do is, I have no idea what I want to put in the clear ones, so I'm not even gonna touch those. I just want to do the ones where I can't really see what's going on, because I think I want to make this aesthetic, but I'm not like 100% for certain. So I'd rather start small and then like work my way up. Not gonna fit, so maybe let's just do this. Like I had it, but I was trying to do something a little different. I just finished up what I could, but I obviously need a lot more organization. So I have some foundations and concealers and primers and setting sprays up here, kind of just like the whole base. And then in here I have some setting powders. I obviously am going to be like, you know, filling this up as I go, but I'm not just gonna buy stuff just to buy it. So it's okay if it looks a little bare right now. This is a really good powder from Givenchy. I have Huda Beauty Easy Bake, my YSL Touch Up powder, and then this really good Too Faced one. Moving on to the next drawer, I have more of like face, wow, that was crazy, face stuff. So I have some blushes in here. They're cream, some are like really pretty shimmer ones, and some are just powders. And then over here I have some like liquid highlighters. So I have the Chanel one, Say, and then Drunk Elephant, and then I have some cream bronzers from Refi, and then also Say right there. I believe that's as far as I went on this side. Yep, that's as far as I went. And then moving on to here, we have got nothing in there. Great. And then we have a bunch of lippies in here. Lips are like my weakness. I always buy lip products, like literally always. We definitely need some better organization, because this is definitely not gonna cut it. It needs to look a lot better, but I've got a lot of lip liners in here, as you can tell right there. And then here is just like a bunch of lip glosses, and honestly it started overflowing, and I have like a lot of my Summer Fridays and Laneige over here. And then moving on to this one, I have some palettes. They might be face, they might be, you know, eyeshadow. I don't have a lot, of course, but it's because I'm just starting to get back into my makeup game. But I have like the Skims one that just came out a few months ago. This one's really pretty. Or not Skims, Skin. I get them confused. I have some Charlotte Tilbury, and then this is a custom one my brother made me for like, I think my 16th birthday. And I've kept on to it ever since when I used to go by Bougie Bells. And then I have some hair stuff down here for when I do like little hair stuff. I have some headbands. These are from Amazon. These are phenomenal. And then I have a curling iron and then a hairbrush in here. I've definitely still got a lot in here to work with, but I don't really know what I want to do right now. And I feel like I don't have like the best acrylic organization stuff. So that's why I feel like I'm on like a standby. But I still feel like I've gotten a lot done. Like I feel like I've gotten a lot of organization done. I've definitely gotten rid of a lot of trash. And all of those boxes that you saw like piled up in my past couple of videos were like Goria stuff, like that I showed you guys, like postcards and pens, and I emptied that and they're all in that drawer over there. So I'm feeling like I did a lot today, even though it's 4:20 and I'm very sleepy. Like it's 4:23 and I could literally fall asleep. But I've also been up since 5, so, and I've been at it today. hardcore at it. But so far I'm really loving this office transformation and how it's coming along. I think I'm gonna do a little bit more tomorrow once I have some more motivation, but that's gonna be it for today. You guys let me know if you have any suggestions on what to do for the vanity, the part that's see-through, how we can make it aesthetic or just functional. Kind of just depends on whatever I feel like you guys recommend. But I love you guys and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, it is the last day of this little office vanity transformation. I don't know how much of a transformation it's gonna be. I feel like this is more of like an office or like some sort of vlog, but I am going to just do a huge time lapse of me getting some stuff done. Joey just discovered what this little puff is for your face, and he was like, what's this for? And then he starts doing this and I was like, exactly. So that's what's happening today. I just want to get a few more things done in here. It's the day before Thanksgiving right now, and I've still got a lot going on in here, so let's get to work. Major progress has been made. That is a huge thing of trash. I decided to not put another clothing rack up because I kind of wanted a simple background. So I have this and I'm gonna fill it with like cute little trinkets and stuff. So then if I film from here, which is my vanity, this is my background. It's half a clothing rack and then half of a cute like little setup. Everything in here is what I'm taking to my mom today when we go to Sarasota. Some stuff I've ordered for her, and I don't know, just kind of a bunch of random stuff that I've ordered for her. I think I'm going to vacuum because as you can tell, there's a lot of stuff around here. There's a lot of like this white stuff that came with my vanity, so I need to definitely vacuum that up. And then I'm gonna pack my makeup bag for the next couple of days since spending Thanksgiving in Sarasota. For my makeup for the next couple of days to stay at my parents' house. Alright, I vacuumed to the best of my ability, but now it's saying the airways are blocked and I have to clean the filter. So yeah, that's what's happening there, but I think that's gonna be the end of this video. I feel like I did so freaking good, and it's feeling definitely more like a workspace now. Like I can actually come in here and I can work and it's gonna be so perfect. Thank you guys for following along with me. I still have a lot to do, but I hope you guys enjoyed this little like, I don't even know what I'm gonna call it because it kind of feels like it's a little all over the place because I fully didn't finish because I didn't have all the organization stuff. But I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my very next video. Mwah. Bye.